All right, let's break down something that sounds super fancy but is actually pretty straightforward: data warehousing. So imagine you're running a business. Every day you're collecting a ton of data: sales, customer feedback, website clicks, even stuff from your mobile app. This info comes from so many different sources, and honestly, it can get messy fast. That's where data warehousing steps in. A data warehouse is basically a giant, super organized storage room for all your data. It pulls info from all those scattered places, databases, spreadsheets, even paper receipts, and puts it together in one central spot. But here's the magic. It doesn't just store the raw data, it cleans it up, organizes it, and structures it so you can actually make sense of it. Why does this matter in data engineering? Well, without a data warehouse, finding useful insights is like trying to find one specific grain of sand on a beach. But with a data warehouse, you can run super fast searches, spot trends, and make smart decisions way quicker. It also keeps your data safe, consistent, and easy to access for everyone who needs it, like analysts or business leaders. In short, data warehousing is the backbone of any modern data-driven company. It turns useless piles of numbers into organized gold mines of information. And for data engineers, it's a game changer, making their jobs smoother and businesses way more competitive. So next time you hear data warehouse, just think, your all-in-one data command center. Simple, right?